Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to style medium length hair. If you have hair that falls between your chin and shoulders, then you know it can be tricky to find hairstyles that work. In this video, we'll show you some of the best hairstyles for medium length hair, and we'll also give you some tips on how to make them look great. Hairstyle 1. Messy bun. Our first hairstyle is the messy bun. This is a great option for those days when you don't have a lot of time to do your hair. To achieve this look, start by pulling your hair back into a loose ponytail. Twist your hair around the base of the ponytail, and secure it with bobby pins. Pull out a few strands of hair around your face to create a soft, effortless look. Tip 1. Use dry shampoo. If you're struggling to create a messy look, try using some dry shampoo before you start styling. This will give your hair some texture and make it easier to work with. Hairstyle 2. Beachy waves. Our next hairstyle is perfect for the summer months. To get beachy waves, start by applying a heat protectant to your hair. Then, using a curling iron or a wand, wrap small sections of your hair around the barrel. Make sure to leave the ends out for a more relaxed look. Once you've finished curling your hair, run your fingers through it to loosen the curls and create that beachy wave effect. Tip 2. Section your hair. If you're struggling to curl your hair evenly, try sectioning it off before you start. This will ensure that you get each strand of hair and that your curls are more uniform. Hairstyle 3. Half up top knot. Our final hairstyle is the half up top knot. This look is perfect for those days when you want to keep your hair out of your face but still look stylish. To achieve this look, take the top section of your hair and tie it in a loose knot. Pull out a few strands of hair around your face to soften the look. Tip 3. Tease your hair. If you want to add some volume to your top knot, try teasing your hair before you tie it up. This will give your hair some extra lift and make your top knot look even more stylish. Conclusion, and there you have it, 3 easy and stylish hairstyles for medium length hair. Whether you're running errands or heading out on a date, these hairstyles will have you looking and feeling your best. Remember to experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair tips and tutorials.